Excellencies, dignitaries, distinguished experts from the fields of health and family planning, ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed an honor for me to be a part of this momentous event celebrating the crucial Family Planning 2020 partnership. India has always valued its membership of the Family Planning 2020 partnership and lauds the invaluable efforts made by the alliance to strengthen family planning services across the world. On behalf of the Government of India, I would like to reaffirm our commitment to the partnership. As it looks to kick-start its next phase, India will continue to wholeheartedly support all its endeavours. This day holds a higher significance for me, as today marks the 72nd Republic Day of my beloved motherland, India. I am proud to share with you the fact that India was one of the first countries in the world to formulate a national family planning program way back in 1952. This program was later expanded to cover maternal and child health as well as adolescent health and nutrition. Since then, India has made significant progress in ensuring healthier lives for its citizens. The alliance added great zeal to our efforts by helping create synergy between various endeavours in the space of family planning. The partnership has played a fundamental role in facilitating exchange of knowledge among member states about latest contraceptives as well as best practices being followed to accelerate adoption of family planning services by the general population. It gives me great pleasure to share with all of you that India achieved its Family Planning 2020 goal for improving contraceptive access in the country with adoption of modern contraceptive use having reached an estimated 55%. You would be glad to note that we even surpassed our commitment of investing more than $3 billion by 2020 for strengthening family planning services in the country. During this journey, our basket of contraceptives has been greatly enhanced with the addition of injectables and Centroman. Almost 4 million doses of injectable contraceptive have been administered in the country till now. More than 10 million pregnant women are benefiting from postpartum intrauterine contraceptive device. Improving the quality of contraceptives, augmenting contraceptive demand through comprehensive IEC campaigns and focused interventions in high fertility districts through Mission Parivar Vikas have been a few of the country's notable achievements during our journey. As a result, we have witnessed an impressive decline in fertility and maternal mortality in the last few years. We continue to strive to substantially reduce the unmet need for contraception by 2030. Moving towards the next phase of family planning partnership, we realize that advancing collaborations, adopting a more focused approach and addressing the needs of young population will be of prime importance. India remains committed towards this global agenda. The overall aim thus is to plan and implement this refurbished approach with the vision that every child is wanted, every birth is safe, and every girl and woman is treated with dignity. I would like to end by thanking all members for their continued support and active engagement with this alliance. I am grateful to all of you for giving me the opportunity to address this learned audience.